Interesting thing happened today. As I took my walk in the morning, I see these two grandmothers. They walk towards me. As they walk towards me, they stand still looking at me. And I'm wondering what is happening. As they look at me like that, and one says, Sure, mntanami, yazi the way ohamba ngakhona, hayi ngiyathanda the way ohamba ngakhona, ingikhumbuza mina ngey'khathi zami, awunceni umhlaba. Awuniki choice the way ohamba ngakhona uyabonakala ukuthi uyintombazane. Let me translate that. So she was actually saying the way you walk, you give the earth no choice but to respect you. You walk like you are a woman. How to me that was, oh my God, I was so happy to hear that. Hi everyone, this is your girl Z. I am so glad that you are here. Welcome to the Becoming the Empire Within. So interesting thing happened today. As I took my walk in the morning, I see these two grandmothers. They walk towards me. As they walk towards me, they stand still looking at me. And I'm wondering what is happening. As they look at me like that, and one says, Sure, mntanami, yazi the way ohamba ngakhona, hayi ngiyathanda the way ohamba ngakhona, ingikhumbuza mina ngey'khathi zami, awunceni umhlaba, awuniki choice the way ohamba ngakhona uyabonakala ukuthi uyintombazane. Let me translate that. So she was actually saying the way you walk, you give the earth no choice but to respect you. You walk like you are a woman. How to me that was, oh my God, I was so happy to hear that. And it reminded me of my grandmother. You know, when I was growing up, my grandmother used to say, as a girl, when you walk, you must walk showing that, you know, you don't give the earth the choice. The girls of this house, they walk. You don't walk like you are heading the cattle, but you walk like you know who you are. In Zulu, she used to say, awuhambe ngathi uyolusa iy'nkomo, kodwa uhambe ubonakala ukuthi kuyathela intombi phansi. I was so happy to hear that it inspired me to say, you know what, in this journey of becoming, let us know who we are. You know, when you walk, you might not be there where you're supposed to be there yet. But as you walk with confidence, walk knowing that you know who you are, walk knowing that you are becoming this great person that you're supposed to walk like a queen that you're supposed to be, and walk like it shows that you are building your empire, as you're showing that you are becoming that the lady, the man that God has created for you to be. You know, confidence is just everything. Even if you don't have much, but if you know who you are and you walk like you know who you are, the earth will give you respect. People will give you respect. Everywhere you are, you will command attention. Not because you are better than everyone, but just because you know who you are. And you will inspire another person that, you know, maybe they are down in their lives, or maybe there's things that are going on in their lives. But when they look at you and say, you know what, I would like to be like that person. And in another story, it reminded me when I used to go to my old church. When I go there, one lady came to me to say, you know, I look forward to come to church every Sunday because I want to see what you are wearing. You know, sometimes other people, they come to church not because they want to hear what is happening in the church, but because you are there, they come there. So, you know, can you imagine if I didn't go to church? That lady was not going to go to church, was not going to hear the word, but because she was looking forward to see what I was wearing, her life was changing now and then. So what I want to encourage you today is that let us walk with confidence. Let us walk like queens as we're supposed to be. Let us walk like kings as we're supposed to be. You know, let us not give the earth the choice. Let us not walk like we are heading the cattle, but let us have confidence. Let us walk tall and know who we are. That is my becoming story for today. What is your becoming story? Who are you becoming? I love you so much. Thank you so much for joining me. I am saying let us become. Love you so much. Until we meet again, please like, subscribe, and comment on the comment section. Let us talk. Let us be a family. Talk about what makes you you, what makes you become. And if you have confidence, share with us. If you don't have confidence, share with us. Let us see what way we can help one another. I love you so much. This is your girl Z saying, let us become. Love you.